Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add pie chart in your Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to represent in the pie chart. Now select the data you want to include. Then go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. Now go for Chart. As you notice, a chart editor is appeared on the right. In this chart editor, you can customize your pie chart, labels, and other settings to make it fit your needs. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.